Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's video is about making money online. I'll be sharing two different methods with you. By using those methods, you will be able to make money online from the comfort of your home. So the method one is easy, but you can scale up to $5 to $10 per day. But method two requires consistency and a little hard work that will pay you hundreds of dollars a day. Okay, so the method one is data entry. So the website I have chosen for you is Rupee for Click. You can scale up to $5 to $10 depending on the task you will be performing on this website, and they will give you $5 sign up bonus as well. That is, then you can start earning. Okay, so I have already signed up for this website, and here's the dashboard. Let me take you to the dashboard of this software. Okay, so there are ways given from which you can earn money. Either you can refer and earn. So the criteria for refer and earn is given here. You will be share this link and earn 0.13 for every click and $1.33 for every person who sign up on it using your link. And then install applications. You can solve CAPTCHA, and you can do some data entry and social media jobs and reward. There is this reward center. So you can earn in USD as well as in Indian currency. You can see your tasks here and the referrals and your clicks. So these are the people who have been ranking. You can see the ranks and their usernames and how much they have earned using this website. Okay, so for every task, all the details are mentioned here. The instructions for data entry tasks are mentioned. For if you solve CAPTCHA entry, you'll find the instructions here below every task, how to solve them. Now let me take you to the payment center. Well, what I want to share with you is this. This is very important. I wanted to share this because when this minimum threshold is fulfilled, then only then you'll be able to take out your payment. So that threshold is about $70. Okay, but once you ask for the approval of your payment, they will be giving you the certificate, fraud verification and tax verification certificate. So you have to verify these. So basically they want you to get them 100 referral link clicks and 25 referrals. So basically they want 25 signups and 100 people clicking on your affiliate link. They will be signing, and 10 applications. So even if you do these, you get done with these two, they will definitely approve your payment. So if you are wondering how you'll be getting these referral links and these signups, so you go to Facebook and you search for make money online groups, and you post in there that contact me if you want to make earn this much of dollar or whatever your pitch is. You post in there and don't drop your link there. So when people DM you, then give your referral link. This shows that you're a legit person and people will come asking you. So that is one way of doing this. Okay, now the method two I'll be sharing in a bit. Okay, so the method two of earning money is Ministry of Freedom 2.0. So basically this is affiliate marketing course by Jono Armstrong. If you don't know him, you can Google and find out who Jono Armstrong is. Okay, so you go to library here. Now I will take you to the dashboard and how this product works. Okay, so when you come to the library, you'll find the Ministry of Product. You can view product here. You can access your bonuses here. You can access your paid ad section and your community support system. So basically the best part is this community support system, and the mentors, they assign you to help you guide through the process. And if you need more help, then Jono is also there to help you understand this blueprint that he has laid in this product for you to start making money from scratch. If you have no prior knowledge, if you don't even own a channel with no subscribers, you can still make money online. Okay, now let me show you the product. We go to view product. Okay, so here you can see the dashboard, Facebook group, course introduction, quick start guide. These are all the modules: mindset, commitment, and success. What I like about this course is that he keeps motivating you. He keeps giving you secrets and tricks and hacks to get started. All the things he has experienced in the past, he is cutting down our all that time so that we can jumpstart to start making commissions. So he's helping us follow this blueprint successfully. So he has assigned every group with amazing mentors who help you understand each and everything the new bees are having trouble with. Okay, so what I would like to show here is that I go to the Facebook group. It's a private Facebook group, and what I want to show here is that 4.5k members this group has, and this shows the legitimacy of this product. So if you see here, people are commenting that how much success they get by being consistent for 40 days. So if 40 days can earn you hundreds of dollars, then I think that shows that this product is legit. Okay, so this guy, he also shared his 40-day journey and the ups and downs and how Jono Armstrong helped him and the other people to get back on track and start earning money. These are his you can see 85.28 USD dollar. Okay, you can check from here last month, so what he has earned here. So these are all the proofs which people share and motivate each other. So everybody in this group is helping each other to become successful in this and make money online niche. So I will be sharing for this review video, that's it. I will be sharing more details about Ministry of Freedom in another review video which I will make on this product. So I'll be sharing my experience with this course.